Oh my gosh. And here I go, tearing up again. Wow. Are you ready? Yay! Let's see that smile. Hey.
Let's go.
You guys, I literally freaking might cry because this is so insanely gorgeous. Tanner and I legit had to stop, say a prayer of thanks because this is, oh my gosh. Wow. Hey Willa, you really better remember this, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh! What? I am so shook. I cannot believe I am standing here right now in front of this, like, so much gratitude. I feel like I'm on top of the world in this spot right now. I feel like we're so high up, literally in the clouds. Our morning started off fairly early. Tanner couldn't sleep and I was quite awake next to him at 5:30 a.m. So we woke Willa up, we snuck out of our hotel really quickly and quietly, and on the whole drive here we were just amazed that everywhere we looked the views kept on getting better. We didn't know what was about to hit us though because this is unlike anything we've ever seen. Just can't take enough of it. I just can't get enough shots of it. I can't look at it enough. I just really cannot believe it. And here I go, tearing up again. Not many places make me cry, but this one is just, wow. God is good, you guys. I can't believe He created this for us.
You guys, we just can't even. You come up here, you think you've seen it all, and then this view is just unbelievable. I almost like this better than like the Tre Cime. And everywhere we look, it's just breathtaking. This doesn't compare. I've spent years hiking in the mountains of the Utah, and No, this is just hands down. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday's hike was incredible. Thank you for the suggestions. Tre Cime was absolutely breathtaking.
A must. If you come to the Dolomites, put that on the list of things to do. Incredible.
It probably already is, but anyway, we just thought we had to re-emphasize that. Later in the afternoon, we had a great time. We went down to one of the little cities you could see from the top of the viewpoint at Tre Cime. And that was a lot of fun, unexpectedly.
Oh my gosh, yes, it was. What was it called? The fun
The
sled?
fun bob. So cool. Willa rode with me, and that was the awesome part, is that she, even as little as she is, she was still able to strap in, and we were just having a blast.
After that, we headed to bed early because we knew today would be an early morning.
We had to be here before 9:30 to come and see Lago di Brais. It was well worth it. This is an incredible, breathtaking, beautiful lake that is definitely something that you should consider putting on your list. It's peaceful, the rocks in the background, the wind. I don't know, it's incredible.
We had a little bit of a drive time to get here, so even though we woke up early, we didn't arrive here until 7 a.m., which honestly, what we heard is this is the most popular lake in the Dolomites, so we were a bit worried about it being overcrowded, but honestly, it's a big enough lake that we've been able to have that experience. We're gonna explore this area a little bit more and then make our way over to, what is it, Cicada? Cicada.
Cicada?
Cicada. We need to work on the pronunciation and looking that one up, but we're gonna head our way over there.
Good morning, day 3 here. We are on our way up to Cicada, and we just got on our first man lift. We're excited. We're going up, Willa? Up. And it's incredibly beautiful again today. The weather, we're hitting it just right again. We're gonna see the top of Cicada, probably the most breathtaking views. We say that again about everywhere, but probably one of the most iconic and memorable ones that we're gonna see here. And then we're gonna hopefully hit a couple other ones. We bought the day pass. It's a lot cheaper if you're gonna do 2 or more. And so we decided that we're gonna go ahead and buy the whole day pass, and we're gonna hit some lifts.
There it is.
Oh man, no way. It's incredible.
We love you.
Good morning, everyone. Last night was a blast. Will and I decided to do one last trip up to Cicada while Marissa stayed back here. Kind of a whiteout up there, and then it cleared off just before the last lift went down. It was amazing.
They took the cutest video ever up there where they're like sticking their tongues out and the snow's coming down. Oh my gosh. If you don't follow us on Instagram, be sure to do that and go check out our Italy highlight to see all of our Dolomites experience here. It is amazing and that video is so close to my heart. This morning we were gonna wake up to go on a hike, but turns out we kind of slept in.
Yeah, it was really good. So It was the Adolf Menkel Trail, and we've seen pictures of it, and the next time we come here, it's going to be on our schedule to go. But today we're going to enjoy a nice, relaxing drive back home and enjoy the rest of our Sunday. And lastly, we wanted to give a huge shout out to Nate and Daesh. That's Marissa's little sister and her husband. They have been doing a lot of fun travel in their renovated bus. I almost said van because they had a van as well too. They have been doing a lot of fun travels in the States, and they just got back from a really fun trip in Alaska. So go ahead, check out their videos, give them some love. They have a lot of fun talents, and that renovation that they did on the bus was pretty fun.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's like my dream house on wheels. I don't know how they did it. Be sure to follow them, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for us, that like button. It means a lot to have you guys here. We had an amazing time in Dolomites. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next video. Look at that hair.